Demek, lesson number 2, ikkinchi dars. Asosan bugun sizlar bilan biz gaplashamiz. Hop, language chunks plus sentence structures for chain charts, and also plus we will talk about vocabulary for chain charts. Demek, gap bo'laklari, undan tashqari gap strukturalar va vocabulary lug'at haqida gaplashamiz chain chartlar uchun. Xo'p, birinchi o'rinda chain chartimiz mana bunday ko'rinishda bo'lardi, ya'ni yilma-yil o'sdi, tushdi, ko'tarildi degan ma'lumotlar aytishim kerak. Va vocabularydan boshlasak, lug'atlar, demak verbs to describe growth, o'sishni tasvirlash uchun lug'atlar. Har bir berilgan o'smoq yoki tushmoq so'zining noun formi bor, verb formi bor. Hop, increase o'smoq, an increase o'sish, surge upsurge, bu ham o'smoq, ot holati a surge, go up a growth, reach an upward trend. Soar o'smoq degani, double degani to increase 2 times, 2 marta ko'paymoq. And then we have triple, which means to increase 3 times. 3 marta ko'paymoq deya. Bular ot holatlar, a doubling in, a tripling in. Rise ko'tarilish, climb bu ham ko'tarilmoq, faqat ma'nosiga e'tibor berishimiz kerak. To go up, to go towards the top of something, nimanidir tepasiga chiqmoq. Demak, yoki if a price, number or amount climbs, it increases. Demak, o'smoq ma'nosida kelyapti bu yerda. Climb, increase. Leapfrog, leapfrog degan so'zimiz, it is one of special words because it has different meaning. So, leapfrog, to improve your position, o'zingni pozitsiyangni ko'tarish by going past other people quickly or by missing out some stages. Hop, leapfrog degani, bu ham faqat o'smoq and also go past other categories. Boshqa kategoriyalardan o'tib ketmoq. Ya'ni u ham o'syapti, ham boshqa kategoriyadan balandga o'tib ketyapti. Misol uchun, ikkinchida turgan bo'lsa, o'sib birinchiga o'tib olsa, o'sha holatda leapfrog bo'ladi. Demak, bular bizda o'sishni tasvirlash uchun verbs and nouns. What about verbs to describe a decline in noun form? So decline, tushmoq, decline, decrease, a decrease, go down, a reduction, fall, tushmoq, downward trend. Bular bir-biriga mos holatda yozilmagan, shunchaki otlar. Aynan fallda ot holati, downturn trend bo'lmaydi. Dip, tushmoq, drop, a dive, a drop, dive, half degan so'zga e'tibor beraylik. Half. So by half, to reduce something by half, ya'ni it means to decline 2 times. 2 marta pasayish degani. And then we have plunge. Plunge. It also means to fall, to become lower, suddenly or quickly, ya'ni tezda katta raqamga pasayib ketmoq. To decline suddenly or significantly or quickly. Tezda yoki sezilarli holatda yoki to'satdan pasaymoq bizda plunge degani. Keyin to edge up. ko'tarilmoqqa nisbatan to increase minimally. Minimalniy holat, ya'ni juda past raqamda ko'tarilish. Deylik 10 dan 11 ga ko'tarilish, bu edge up deyiladi. Buning antonim holati to edge down, to decline minimally. Minimalniy holatda pasaymoq. To edge down, to edge up, to edge up. Xo'p, endi bizda har bir o'sishni va tushishni darajasini bildirish uchun demak, har bir o'sish tushishdan tashqari bizda ba'zi holatlarda o'ynaydigan holatlar ham bo'ladi. Ya'ni misol uchun mana bu holatga o'xshab to'lqinlaydi-da, yoki bu yerda ko'proq straight ketgan, tekis ketgan. Ba'zi holatlarda to'lqinlashi mumkin natija. Shunday holatlarda biz to describe a rise and a fall, o'sish va tushishni tasvirlashdan foydalanamiz. Ya'ni fluctuate, oscillate, vacillate, be erratic. So slash is not necessary. Fluctuation and oscillation and vacillation. Stability, to describe a stability, ya'ni barqarorlik, natijasini o'zgartirmagan holatda tursa, bu bizda stability bo'ladi. Ya'ni 10 raqamda 5-6 yil qimirlamasdan turgan bo'lsa. Hop, stay constant, stay static, plateau, show no change, show a stability, hold steady, show a plateau, level off, remain stable, unaltered, unchanged, flat. Shularni ishlatish ham mumkin. Endi albatta bularni darajasini ko'rsatish uchun bizda adjective yoki adverb kerak bo'ladi. Adverbs usually use it together with verbs. Demak, ravishlar odatda bizda fe'llar bilan birga ishlatiladi. Agar baland daraja bo'lsa, bu qator, past o'rtacha daraja bo'lsa, bu qator, past daraja bo'lsa, bu. Of drastically, dramatically, significantly, sharply, markedly, steeply, exponentially, remarkably, radically, moderately, steadily, progressively, constantly. Slowly, slightly, insignificantly, negligibly, gradually, marginally, minimally. Demak, sekin o'sish ko'rsatsa. And the adjectives are usually used together with nouns. Ot holatlari bilan birga ishlatiladi. Xo'p, bular odatda ly qo'shimchasini tushirib ham qoldirishingiz mumkin ba'zi bir so'zlarda. Endi hammasini ham sifat holati bor emas. Shunga e'tibor beraylik. Lekin ko'pida ly qo'shimchasini tushirsa bo'ladi. Misol uchun drastically drastic degani bor yoki dramatically dramatic, right? Steeply steep, sharp, significant. Moderately moderate, steadily steady, progressive, constant. Slowly, insignificantly, negligibly, gradually, marginally, minimally. Slow, slight, insignificant, negligible, gradual, marginal, minimal. Demak, shular bizda asosiy lug'atlarimiz, ishlatgan kerak bo'ladigan. Xo'p, endi gap strukturalariga o'taylik. Demak, qanday qilib men berilgan ma'lumotni odatda tasvirlab o'taman. Birinchi o'rinda you need to understand, have to talk about, you need to understand, have to talk about categories in reports. Reportlarda kategoriyalar haqida aytishni. Misol uchun ko'p o'quvchi qiladigan xato transport degan so'zga qaraydi. Mana transportda eng rangi pastroq ekan. Demak, mana bu transport bizda. Aytadi transport remained unchanged. O'zgarmasdan qoldi deydi. So, from 1990 to 1993. Shu yilgacha. Bu yerda katta xato bor. Sababi transport, bu bizda transport oddiy so'z. U o'zgarmasdan qolgani yo'q. U tomonidan chiqarilgan air pollutantlarning miqdori o'zgarmasdan qoldi. Misol uchun oil yog'ni narxi bo'yicha bersa, siz oil o'zgarmasdan qoldi, oil ko'tarildi demaysizda. Oilning narxi ko'tarildi yoki oilning miqdori, natijasi ko'tarildi yoki oilga bo'lgan natija ko'tarildi deb aytasiz. Bu yerda ham xuddi shunday, ya'ni transport remained unchanged demaymiz. Misol uchun the figure for transport uchun natija remained unchanged, o'zgarmasdan qoldi deymizda. The figure for transport. Demak, bunaqa gap berish xato. Xo'p, endi qanaqa so'zlarda ishlatishim mumkin? Demak, o'sha berilgan kategoriyalardan oldin. The figure for ishlatishimiz mumkin. Trend for, result of, index of, number, amount, volume of something. Nimanidir miqdori. Yoki shuningdek biz berishimiz mumkin percentage of something. Nimanidir foizi. Agar bizda foizda berilgan bo'lsa. Bu yerda foizda berilmagan, sababi air pollutants million tonnalarda degan. Demak, men percentage degani ishlata olmayman. Lekin amount ishlatishim mumkin-da, the figure for qo'yganlarni ham ishlatishim mumkin. Xo'p, demak bu tushunarli va bizda asosiy 4 ta basic structures bor. Bular qaysilar? Subject, verb, adverb, result, year. Ya'ni birinchi o'rinda fe'l egani beramiz. The figure for deylik. Transportning natijasi nima qildi? Deylik, sekin tushish ko'rsatdi. Declined. Minimalniy holatda pasaydi. From 30 million tons, 30 million tonnadan to 28 million tons. 28 million tonnada. 1993 yil. Demak, egani berdim. Fe'l declined va e'tibor beraylik, o'tgan zamonda ishlatyapman, sababi yilimiz o'tgan zamonda. Past simple, I need to use past simple zamondan foydalanishim kerak. Agar ba'zi holatlarda kelasi zamon berilgan bo'lsa, misol uchun 2030, 35, 50 berilgan bo'lsa, aytda future simpledan foydalanaman. So declined minimally from 30 million tons, 30 million tonnadan pasaydi 28 million tonnaga 93-yilda. Yoki yana qo'shimcha oladigan bo'lsak, deylik, misol uchun mana. Hop, region 1, birinchi hudud 8 dan deylik 10 ga ko'tarildi. 9 ga ko'tarildi-da. Aytishim mumkin, the trend for region 1 increased moderately, o'rtacha o'sdi, from 8 to 9 in 2010. Region 1 uchun natija increased moderately, o'rtacha o'sdi 8 dan 9 ga 2010-yilda. Xo'p, demak bu birinchi oddiy gap strukturamiz. Keyingi asosiy gap strukturamiz ketyapti. Subject, saw, experienced, showed, exhibited, adjective noun. Endi e'tibor beringlar, bu yerda men adjective noundan foydalanyapman. Ya'ni increased moderately, o'rtacha o'sdi degan natijani men adjective noun, ot bilan sifat holatida beraman. Misol uchun the trend for, xuddi o'sha gapim, the trend for region 1, region 1 da natijasi exhibited, ko'rsatdi, a moderate, o'rtacha increase from 8 to 9 in 2010. 2010 yil. Demak, endi fe'l bilan ravish ishlatgan yo'q, sifat bilan ot ishlatyapman. Shuning uchun sifat va otlarni ham yodlab olgan yaxshi. Yoki undan oldingi gapim, the figure for transport natijasi showed a decline, a minimal decline from 30 to 28 in 1993. 1993 yili minimalniy tushish ko'rsatdi. Va e'tibor berishimiz kerak, biz o'tgan zamondan foydalanyapmiz-da. Showed, exhibited, ed fe'lning ikkinchi shaklidan foydalanyapman, ya'ni past simple'dan. Hop, uchinchi asosiy strukturamiz, eng keraklilardan biri there was, yoki agar ko'plik bo'lsa were, adjective noun in subject, result here yoki by subject. Misol uchun, there was a moderate increase, o'rtacha o'sish bo'ldi, from 8 to 9, 8 dan 9 ga, in 2010, 2010 yilda, by the figure for region 1, region 1da natijasida. Yoki aytishim mumkin, there was a minimal decline, bu yerda minimalniy decline bo'ldi, in the result of transportning natijasida, from 8 to 9, 8 dan 9 ga, in 1993, 1993 yili. Xo'p, keyingisi, odatda biz by bilan yil bersak, ishlatayotgan zamonimiz past perfektga o'tib qoladi. Ya'ni mana bu yerda in 2010, 2010-yilda degan bo'lsam, shuni by 2010, 2010-yilgacha o'sdi desam, past perfect ishlashim kerak bo'ladi. Xo'p, past perfect qanday beriladi? Subject, had, verbning past participle, ya'ni fe'l 3 yoki ed shakli beriladi. Misol, the figure for transportning natijasi had increased, o'sgan edi, to 80, 80 ga, by 2010, 2010-yilgacha. 2010-yilgacha uni natijasi 80 ga o'sgan edi. Demak, had increased. Yoki deylik, 2020-yilgacha region 1ning natijasi 9 dan где-то 7,5larga tushibdi-da, approximately. Deb aytishim mumkin. The index of region 1 had declined. Had declined to approximately, right, to approximately 7.5 in 2020, by 2020. 2020-yilgacha region 1ning natijasi pasaygan edi, taxminan 7,5 ga, taxminan deb olyapman, taxminan 7,5 ga 2020-yilgacha. Sababi aniq 7,5ligi aniq emas, 6, 7, 8 bo'lsa, endi 7,5 taxminan. Approximately 7.5 by 2020, 2020-yilgacha. Demak, bu bizda asosiy birinchi struktura. Bu esa asosiy 2, 3 and 4 va 4-chi. Xo'p, eng asosiy sizga kerak bo'ladigan strukturalar shu. Bulardan tashqari boshqalari ham bor. We have also other nice structures to use. Strukturalar. Endi bular grammatical range'ga balandroq baho olishga yordam beradi. Misol uchun, after, before, ya'ni compound sentencelardan foydalanish. Compound sentences. Qo'shma gaplardan foydalanish. After increasing After increasing to 9, the result of region 1 declined to approximately 7.5 in 2020. Demek after keyin degani before oldin, after verb ing nimadir qilishdan keyin bag'da ham bitta gap beraman da sentence qo'shimcha gap keladi plus holatda. Misol uchun after increasing to 9 9 ga o'sgandan keyin the result of region 1 ning natijasi declined to approximately 7.5 in 2020. 2020-yilda pasaydi. Hop, after keyin before oldin, to'g'rimi? Agar xuddi shu gapim before bilan beradigan bo'lsam, before declining to 7.5 in 2020, the result of region 1 increased to 9. 9 ga o'sgan edi in 2010-yil. Tushishdan keyin 7,5 ga 2020-yilda natijasi region 1da o'sgan edi 9 ga 2010-yilda. After before. Hop, endi ikkinchi holati ham bor. After beforedan keyin verb ing emas, noun ham berishim mumkin. Misol uchun the result natijasi of region 1 increased to 9. 9 ga uning natijasi o'sdi in 2010. 2010-yilda. Before a decline pasayishdan oldin to 7.5 in 2020. 2020-yilda shu natijaga pasayishdan oldin. After beforedan keyin noun ham berishimiz mumkin compound sentences. Keyingisi bir daqiqa. Which then verb ing verb 2 verb ing debda. Which then verb. Misol uchun birinchi strukturamdan ikkinchi strukturamni foydalaylik. Dedik the figure for region 1 natijasi showed an increase o'sish ko'rsatdi to 9 in 2010. 2010-yilda o'sish ko'rsatdi. Mana 9 ga o'sdi. Which qaysiki then declined keyin pasaydi to 7.5 in 2020. 2020-yilda 7,5 ga pasaydi. Bu yerda nimadan foydalanyapman? Relative clause'dan foydalanyapman. Yana nima uchun? Grammatical range'ni oshirish uchun. Qaysiki keyin deyapmiz. Which then declined to 7.5. Yoki region 3 4dan 3ga tushdi 2005-yili. Keyin 2015-yili ko'tarib oldi, to'g'rimi? The trend for region 3 ning natijasi declined from 4 to 3 in 2005. 2005-yilda. Which then qaysiki keyin quickly tezda increased to nearly 5 in 2015. 2015-yili tezda 5ga o'sib oldi. Qaysiki keyin which then quickly increased, which then declined. Hop, 7-chi gap strukturamiz reaching, accounting for, amounting, numbering, verb ing. Bu yerda endi gerund clause'dan foydalanyapman. Gerundli gaplardan, oddiy qilib aytganda. Misol uchun deylik, region 4 2010dan 2020gacha o'sish ko'rsatdi-da. Deyarli 3dan 4ga o'sdi. the result of region 4 showed ko'rsatdi an increase o'sish yoki showed a growth da o'sish ko'rsatdi to growth o'sish ko'rsatdi from 2010 to 2020 2020-yilgacha reaching 4 millions of metric tons shuncha tonnaga ergashdi 5 ekan uzr natija 5 ekan 5 ga Hop, bu oddiy qilib aytganda nima aytiladi? Mana bu x ni o'rniga biz uni o'sgan yoki tushgan natijasini aytamiz, alohida aytmasdan. Deylik, mana bu gaplarda declined from 4 to 3, 4 dan 3 ga pasaydi yoki 9 ga ko'tarildi degan bo'lsak, endi shuni to ni verb ing clause holatida olib o'tib qo'yapman. Reaching, accounting for, amounting to, numbering. E'tibor beraylik, numberingni biz percentage'ga ishlata olmaymiz odatda. Ishlata olamizmi? So mana, if people or things number a particular amount, there are this many of them. Amount verb holatida ishlatish mumkin. Yoki keyingisi, deylik 2020 dan 2040-yilgacha region 1 sekin tushish ko'rsatdi. Deylik, there was a slow reduction in the figure for region 1 between 2020 and 2040 amounting to 7. There will be a slow reduction. Bu yerda sekin tushish bo'ladi. Sababi endi kelasi zamon kelyapti 2040. There will be a slow reduction. Sekin pasayish bo'ladi in the figure for region 1. Birinchi hudud uchun. Between 2020 and 2040 amounting to 7 million millions of metric tons. Shuncha metrik tonnaga, million metrik tonnaga. Da endi davomini qo'shmadim, o'sha o'zi mana bu aytda ham bo'lishi kerak. Hop, keyingi gap strukturamiz 8 8 the result of which then. Demak, bu ham relative clause sentence. Deylik, the region 4 showed a decline to 4. 4 ga pasayish ko'rsatdi in 2020 2020-yilda. The result of which then qaysiniki natijasi again yana qayta dipped pasaydi to 3 ga yoki the amount of oil produced ishlab chiqarilgan o'yilning miqdori exhibited namoyish etdi a negligible sezilarsiz increase o'sishni to 4 ga in 2013 2003-yilda. The result of which qaysiniki natijasi then increased drastically sezilarli holatda o'sdi to 7 in 2014-yilda. Relative clause'dan foydalanyapman. The result of which then verb 2 da o'tgan zamonda bo'lsa. verb to or ed. Relative clause. Keyingisi this was down yoki up x number. Xo'p, endi oddiy bitta narsani tushuntirib o'tay. Natijani men qanday qilib aytishim mumkin? Bironta natijaga o'sdi deyish uchun declined to 4 deyapman. Yoki increased to 5 5 ga o'sdi deyapman. Yoki natijani aytish uchun declined from 4 to 3 4 dan 3 ga pasaydi. Yoki increased o'sdi from 5 to 7 5 dan 7 ga. Ya'ni from bilan to dan foydalanishim mumkin yoki to ni o'zidan foydalanishim mumkin va undan tashqari foydalanishim mumkin declined between 4 and 3 4 va 3 orasida tushdi deyishim mumkin edi. Va undan tashqari agar masalan in 2010 2010-yilda natijam 45 ga teng bo'lsa va 2020-yilda bu natijam 47 ga ko'tarilsa, unda masalan aytaman the result natija increased by 2 million tons 2 million tonnaga o'sdi. Ya'ni 45 dan 47 ga ikkita raqam ko'tarildi, to'g'rimi? Yoki aytishim mumkin, masalan, tushdi degan holatda bo'lsa, 2010-yilda natija tengiydi 6 ga. 2015-yili esa natijamiz teng bo'ldi 3 ga. Endi bu nima qildi? The result declined by 3 percentage points. 3% ga tushdi. Ya'ni o'rtadagi farq 3%. Oddiy qilib aytganda, o'rtadagi farqni ko'rsatmoqchi bo'lsak, biz bydan foydalanishimiz mumkin. Endi xuddi shuni boshqacharoq yo'nalishi this was down or up x number. Misol uchun the cost of Chevrolet Malibu narxi in 2010 $15,000 edi. Endi xuddi shu narx 2020-yilga kelib $23,000 ga ko'tarildi. Men nima deyman? Misol uchun aytishim mumkin the cost of the car mashinaning narxi was up ko'tarilgan edi $8,000. 8,000 Amerika AQSh dollariga ko'tarildi. Yoki the oil production yog' ishlab chiqarish hajmi in 1990 deylik 15 million tons 15 million tonna edi. The oil production in 2000-yilda teng bo'ldi 10,000 tonnaga. Necha tonnaga pasaydi? Umumiy holatda 5 tonnaga pasayapti. Endi aytaman the result of oil productionning natijasi was down 5,000 tons 5,000 tonnaga pasaydi in 2000-yilda. Bu yerda in 2020 2020-yil. Demak, down up bu buy deyishning boshqacha yo'li. Down bu tushish, up ko'tarilish. Hop, keyingisi the figure then showed a decline increase of x number. Bir minut. Shunday o'chirib olay. Hop. Bu ham xuddi shunga o'xshagan gap struktura. Deylik, oil production 1990-yilda 15 ming tonna edi. 2000-yilga kelib 10 ming tonnaga pasaydi. Endi keyingi gapda aytishim mumkin. The figure then keyin showed a decline of 5000 tons. 5000 tonna pasayishni ko'rsatdi. Bu degani 5000 tonnaga pasaydi degani. Ya'ni buy deb aytishning yana bitta yaxshiroq yo'li a decline of, shuncha raqam pasayish yoki an increase of, shuncha raqam ko'tarilishi. Let's see an example with Chevrolet Malibu. The cost of Chevrolet Malibu showed an increase of $8,000 in 2020. 2020-yilga kelib Chevrolet Malibu'ning narxi $8,000 o'sish ko'rsatdi. Ya'ni $8,000 ga ko'tarildi degan holatda berilyapti. Moment. Hop. At which point subject verb. Bu ham demak relative clause sentence hisoblanadi. Hop, qanday qilib beraman odatda? Misol uchun 2000dan 2010gacha 2000dan 2005-yilgacha region 3 pasaydi, to'g'rimi? Masalan, the figure for region 3 declined. Endi declined ga ma'nodosh ishlatsam went down pasaydi. Went down from 4 to 3. 4dan 3ga pasaydi. Keyin u xuddi shu nuqtadan bag'iga sezilarli o'sish ko'rsatdi, to'g'rimi? At which point, qaysi nuqtadaki the figure, natija, saw a moderate surge, o'rtacha o'sish ko'rdi, by, mana oraliqda aytyapman, yoki a moderate surge of, by'ni o'rniga ikkalasi bir xili. A moderate surge of yoki by 2 million of metric tons. 2 million metrik tonnaga o'sdi. Chunki 5 ga ko'tarilyapti. Demak, birinchi 4 dan 3 ga pasaydi, keyin 5 ga ko'tarilganini aytish uchun mana the figure 4 pasaydi 3 ga. Qaysi nuqtadaki u o'rtacha o'sish ko'rdi? In 2010, 2010-yilda. In 2005da. Yoki ham bitta misol beradigan bo'lsak. Misol uchun, endi o'sdi deylik, mana 3 dan 5 ga o'sdi. Qayerdaki 2030-yilgacha nima qiladi? Stable, barqaror qoladi. The trend for region 3 ning natijasi showed, ko'rsatdi, a moderate, o'rtacha increase, o'sishni to 5 in 2010, 2010-yilda. At which point, qaysi nuqtadaki the figure, natija, will remain unchanged, o'zgarmasdan qoladi. Demak, kelasi zamondan foydalanyapman. Will remain unchanged, o'zgarmasdan qoladi until 2030. 2030-yilgacha. At which point? Hop, oxirgi gap struktura which was followed by a noun. 2000-yilda 1dan 2ga ko'tarildi, keyin 2020-yilgacha pasayish ko'rsatdi. Region 5 da. The amount of region 5, 5 regionning miqdori increased, o'sdi, to from 1 to 2, 2ga o'sdi, in 2005, 2005-yilda. Which was followed by, qaysiga ergashdi, nimada? Ot ishlatishim kerak, e'tibor bering, ot. Which was followed by a slow reduction. Kichik yoki sezilarsiz pasayish bilan ergashdi. A slow reduction to again 1 million metric tons, shuncha tonnaga, in 2020, 2020-yilda. Which was followed by a slow reduction. Hop, yana beradigan bo'lsak, gapda deylik 2010dan 2020ga Region 4 katta o'sish ko'rsatdi, keyin nomiga tushdi. The figure for Region 4 increased, o'sdi, yoki deylik surged, right? Surged from 3 to 5 in 2020, 2020-yilda, which was followed by a minimal, qaysi minimalniy decline bilan ergashib keldi, to just under 5 in 2025, 2025-yilda. Which was followed by a minimal decline, minimalniy pasayish bilan ergashib keldi. Va o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan, demak, hamma 11 ta gap strukturamiz shu edi. Hop, which was followed by a noun, at which point subject verb, demak, bir boshdan boshlaydi. Basic structures, asosiy bilishingiz shart bo'lgan to'rtta strukturalar. Demak, subject, verb, adverb, result here. Demak, o'sdi, tushdi, qanchadir, o'sish ko'rdi qanchagadir, bu yerda o'sish bo'ldi, there was yoki were adjective noun. Past perfect ni ishlatish by bilan birga. Undan keyin compound sentencelar ishlatish, qo'shma gaplar after before bilan verb ing yoki noun berishi mumkin. Keyin relative clause'lardan foydalanish, which, then, which bilan shunchaki fe'l berish. Gerund clause'dan foydalanish, reaching, accounting for, amounting to, numbering. The result of which, then, natijasi qaysiniki. Yana relative clause. Hop, o'sdi, tushdi deb raqamlarga natijani aytish uchun foydalanish, to dan foydalanish mumkin ekan, from, to dan, between, and dan foydalanish mumkin ekan, by dan. By oralig'ida ko'rsatadi. Keyin by bilan bir xil struktura, this was down, up, number. Yana bitta by bilan bir xil struktura, off berish, ya'ni off baytda bizda teng byga, a decline of. Keyingisi, keyin at which point, relative clause, yana which was followed by, yana bitta relative clause bilan gap berish. Jami 13 ta gap bo'lyapti. Demak, menimcha bemalol yetadi bizda yaxshi bitta tasdiqlama yozish uchun. Shu strukturalarimiz.